Welcome to Above the Rest Restaurant and Bakery. We are located in the Lauderhill Mall, across from the Lauderhill Mall at 12th Street. We are at 4080 Northwest 12th Street. We are here for a few years, providing you with some good home cooking meal. We do cow foot, we do cow tripe, we do curry chicken, stew pork, brown stew fish, escovitch fish. One of our main dishes, fish in coconut sauce. I tell you, you'd love the one if you come on down here and try that one. We have oxtail, curry goat, and curry chicken. We also do catering. We have a dining room here that you can come, sit down, feel comfortable, and we do takeout. The quality of our food is real good. People keep coming back to real authentic Jamaican food here. Yeah, we got lunch special. We open 7 days a week. We got a large variety for you to choose from. We also serve beer and wine and dessert to go with your meal. As a matter of fact, we have food for everybody. Asian, Jamaican, American, you name it. Thanks for stopping by at Above the Rest Restaurant and Bakery. See you real soon. For more information, please call us.